I am in BC. I'm in Kelowna, and I'm at my son's farm, little farm. Would you call it a hobby farm, Aaron?
Hobby farm.
And it's such a treat. So I've got my afternoon coffee, and I'm gonna take you guys on a little tour of Aaron's farm. This is Aaron.
Hello.
Hi, Aaron.
Hello.
Aaron's gonna take us on a tour. These are the girls.
These are the girls.
Tell us about the girls.
We've got 80 of them.
Do they all have names, Aaron?
No, they do not. And they're layers. They give us an egg a day, so we collect around 6 dozen.
Let's go get some.
Eggs a night.
Let's go. They love them. Aaron has a couple of children in Kelowna, which is why we always come here. And now we're going to go in. It's going to show
Nothing
us
fancy.
the eggs. Nothing fancy, but oh, look it. She's in here by herself. Okay, so this is where they lay some eggs.
Yeah.
Hi, girls. Oh, hi. Come on in.
Check to make sure you're not having anything super yummy.
Very cool. How many do you get a day?
6 dozen.
Oops.
Usually.
Oh, they're all concerned. You're taking their babies. They're so noisy.
Usually they give off a nice, after they lay,
Yeah.
it's like a celebration. But right now they're just wanting, some attention and love.
Hi. Are they a certain type of chicken?
Yes, they are.
It's so loud in here.
I know.
All right.
River loves catching them.
He loves catching them.
He's really good at it.
Put my coffee down. I love it. All right. I'll take you for a little tour now of his garden, his vegetable garden. Aaron lives on a little farm. He has about 4 acres, Aaron? 3 acres, and it used to be a horse farm. So this great big sand pit, they used to run their horses in. So now,
Kind of a junkyard playground.
it's a junkyard playground, but you live here with Emily's sister and your brother-in-law as well. There's a couple of houses on the property.
And we've got 2 nephews and a niece, so they're always playing out with our kids.
So it's really amazing. They're out here farming and playing. They just added a boat. They're looking for a motor. All right, tell me about the garden, Aaron.
So we put this in a couple years ago, and we've just got a bunch of garden beds for our veggies, and then we've got another plot for our strawberries and blackberries and raspberries
and this is what
tomatoes.
I don't know how I didn't notice this before, but you've got a potting table and a sink to wash.
Yeah, it's rustic, but it does the trick.
You wash, and then you've got all the mulch down. And guys, it's so beautiful. What I love about this is how artistically inclined my son and daughter-in-law are when planting and building their beds. It's not just throw in a plot. And years ago when they were little, when my kids were little, I used to have a garden as pretty as this with vegetable gardens, but not anymore. Now it's just flowers for me. If I planted all this, I'd never be able to eat it all. And they like to do some cut flowers as well. And her brother-in-law is tearing down a house and building it. Oh, it's going down as we speak. All right.
And this is all our garlic.
That's a lot of garlic.
Yeah.
What do you do with all this garlic?
This year we're gonna have to sell quite a bit of it because we're gonna have lots.
Well, this is a neat thing because you do the chickens and you have to make so much money to keep your taxes down, right?
Yep.
Do you do it?
We do. It's not hard. You get to make $2,500 a year.
To keep your taxes down.
Yeah.
So you do. That is all garlic. And they say they make pesto from that as well.
Right now the scapes are ready, so they all.
What's a scape?
You can make the scapes into pesto.
Oh, that's
You can
cool.
also grill it on the barbecue. You can be used as a garnish, like French onion.
Oh, really?
But yeah, there'll be like 100 pounds of scapes here. It's ridiculous.
And you eat it?
Yep.
Very cool. Oh, and River liked showing me this.
Snap peas. Wee. Delicious.
We've been eating snap peas all day.
They're ready right now.
And look at, are these a different brand with the
No,
different colors?
They were just planted a little bit before, so now they're flowering. They're pretty.
They are so pretty.
And we have 30 apple trees in the back here.
Oh my goodness. Have you had a crop yet?
Yep, we get lots of apples. There doesn't look like much, but they're the dwarf root, and so the trees don't get very big, but they produce a lot of apples.
And some cabbage.
Mm-hmm.
And then, do you do more than one crop? Because I'm seeing empty
we try
spaces.
to do 2 or 3 harvests.
That's amazing.
And maximize.
So here's their lovely farm in BC. Do you see the mountains back there? If we went out to the front, you'd be able to see the lake in the distance. And these 2 young families are taking this property and just building it into something gorgeous.
Here we have blackberries on the right. We got some tomatoes coming up. Will give us about 100,000 pounds of tomato yield.
Oh my word. And
We
then
got 2 rows of
rhubarb.
strawberries, a big rhubarb back there.
Oh, the strawberries.
And then some raspberries.
Let's
that'll
go
be
see
ready
the
soon.
strawberries. I'll put a picture in here of their little harvest of this morning's breakfast of these amazing strawberries. Look at that. All sorts of them in there.
Yeah, they're mostly not ripe right now because we picked through them this morning, but there'll be, there'll be lots ripe tomorrow, something we missed.
Yum, yum.
Mm-hmm.
And it's so neat when your kids do something that you love to do too, but of taking it into an even bigger and better realm. It's so neat. So we'll go around and I'll show you their front yard. Here's the view from the front of their house. If I could raise my arm up high enough, you could see that there is a lake in there. And what we did today, I brought my gardening clothes and we rearranged some things in their garden today and we had a blast. We went and bought some Annabelle hydrangeas and we trimmed some trees. And had the best time together this morning. The kids were out here, went and bought a few bushes, some spirea. Check out their lavender, their salvia, fine form today. Woo! That house is coming down. And then he got up in here and cut down a tree that was dead in there and all sorts of lower branches. The house is coming down as we speak. There's a horse farm across the street. Isn't it a great place to live? So there's a little video of my time in BC and helping Aaron and Emily in the garden. You can't do it without me though, can you?
I can do everything.
Okay, you could say you could do everything because of me.
Because of you.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I was going to say.
There we go. Hope you have a great day. I hope you get in your garden. Do something artsy.